Hello everyone, we're going to learn about the CLO-SET's permission system. CLO-SET mainly has 4 different levels of permission, which are admin, collaborator, editor, and viewer. Out of the 4 different permission types, admin, collaborator, and editors are counted as the paying user, and the viewer is counted as a non-paying user. First, there are 3 types of admins, the most upper class of permission, which are the group admin, company admin, and brand admin. Admin have the permission to create, edit, delete styles and space, and invite users to space they belong to. Group admin becomes the subject of payment according to the pricing plan for the entire members under the group. Second, there are 2 types of collaborator. The second upper class of permission, which are the company collaborator and the brand collaborator. The collaborator have the same permission as the company admin or brand admin, but cannot create, modify, or delete company or brand. Collaborator or above can use the fitting conversion service. Thirdly, there is an editor, the third class of permission. Editors have permission to edit and share the workroom and assortment with other group members. When you are shared to workroom, assortment, or style as an editor, you'll become an editor for the specific workroom, assortment, and style. Lastly, there is a viewer, and the viewers can only view the workroom and style, but cannot edit, delete, or share the workroom or style. When you're shared to a workroom, assortment, or style as a viewer, or when you're shared with the link through the shared with link feature as a viewer, you'll become a viewer in a specific workroom, assortment, or style. Next, we're going to learn how to invite individuals to our CLO-SET brand or company. Invite is the function to invite the user. Next, we're going to learn how to invite individuals to our CLO-SET brand or company. Invite is the function to invite the user as admin or collaborator to a company or a brand. To start, you can enter the email address of invitee and press invite to send an email invitation. The invitation will become pending, and the invitee will then receive an email notification that they will need to accept. A new CLO-SET window will then open, and then they will be able to click on to Go to Company to access the CLO-SET page. You will now see the invitee listed as a collaborator under the company members. You can repeat the same process for all other invitees. Next, we're going to show how to share your CLO-SET workroom or style either by email address or with the link. People share is the function to share a workroom or style to a certain member with added and view permission. To begin with, use the 3 dots on the right-hand side to open the side menu to access your sharing options. Under the Share to People, enter the email address of the people you would like to invite to your CLO-SET workroom. Using the drop-down menu, you can select the sharing type and either assign Can Edit or Can View. Then select the Share to send the invitation email. In the list of invited individuals, you can change the share type for the individuals in the context menu. You can also remove the invitee through the context menu as well. This way, you have full control over who can view and edit your workroom. You can also share a link instead if you go to the bottom of the side menu. Under Share with the Link, change your sharing options to allow anyone with the link to view the workroom. You will then get a pop-up message that you have changed your sharing your settings. You can then copy this link outside CLO-SET and share this way. Please be noted that link share is accessible. We're going to learn about the assortment. Assortment is a room for reviewing and making decision of multiple styles at once. It is useful for presentation and design selections. You can communicate with respect to each style with the communicate function. From the assortment function, you can select and pin the colorway of each style to reflect the latest assortment option. Also, we have this option to view the assortment in different tile sizes. Also, we have the option to activate the 3D viewer for each garment. This option lets you view the garment in full screen, and you can navigate along the 3D window as well as to rotate, pan, and zoom in and out. Over here, you can also deactivate your 3D viewer. You can change the order of the style by clicking the Change Order button. You can also share this assortment with other people by clicking the Link Share button. Enter their email address and give them access. CLO-SET also offers the multi-selection tool, which allows you to select the multiple garments from this assortment. You can also deselect all, select all, and delete the style all at once. We also have the option to download the line sheet by clicking on the line sheet button. Once you click on the icon, the line sheet will be downloaded in the Excel format. I'm going to open this file to show you guys what an Excel format line sheet looks like. The line sheet contains information on sizes, colorway, and the description of each style. Over here, you have the option to go back to the original style by clicking on the context menu. Here, you can also change the workflow status to adopt and share with others. In this section, we're going to learn about My Bag function. Through My Bag function, you can add multiple styles in My Bag and view and compare the multiple styles in one page. First, go to the workroom and hover the mouse over each style and click the Context button. Select the Add to Bag to add the style into the My Bag. When you click to Add to Bag, you have options to select the image types and colorways of each style. To access My Bag, click on the My Bag icon on the top right corner of the page. In My Bag, you can select and unselect each style and compare the styles by clicking the Compare icon on the right side of the page. By clicking the Compare button, the selected style will be shown from the web page. You can zoom in and out the different styles all at once. In addition, you can unlock the camera and change the setting of the individual styles as well. Next, we're going to learn about email notification. CLO-SET team will send you the email notification based on your current status. Before 60 days of free trial ends, group admin will receive the expiration notification email on 60th days of the free trial. And the email would be shown in the same format as you can see from the screen. When advance plan payment is completed, group admin will receive the payment confirmation email. And the email would be shown in the same format as you can see from the screen. The email would contain information about the invoice, which indicates the payment amount based on the paying user in the current group. Also, if there is a carryover balance, it would be indicated on the invoice and will be reflected in the payment. The last section of the invoice would indicate the payment amount according to the number of paying users on top of the carryover balance from the previous month. Users can turn on and off the email notifications. Notification is automatically turned on except for the added styles, and users can change it by checking and unchecking the boxes from the My page. We're going to learn about the shortcut menu and the group information. CLO-SET team reorganized the shortcut menu in a sequence of company and brand. From each space and style page, the shortcut menu will appear on the top left corner. Therefore, users can easily identify the location of each styles and space. Exposed contents are limited to those that belong to the selected group. Users can easily check the group information from the main page of CLO-SET website. The group information would show the current subscription plan of the group along with the subscription period, as well as the usage of rendering and fitting conversion. Group information will not be shown to the viewer. Next, we're going to learn about Admin Console. This tutorial. From the Admin Console, the group admin can check the summary of transactions, billing history, user activity statistics, and the rendering log of the group. Under the Admin Console, let's look at the summary page. From this summary page, group admin can check the current payment plan along with the payment details, such as the measurement period, next billing date, and the estimated billing amount. By clicking on the Setting button from the Payment Method section, The website will guide you to the detailed payment summary page where you can change the credit card information along with the billing address. Also, group admin can check the company list, and if you click the setting button, the website will guide you to the company setting page. Group admin can check the total number of users by paying user types, along with the summary of user activity in terms of total number of style creation, style comments, and annotation created under the group. Group admin can check the total usage of rendering and total number of fitting conversion and try and occurred under the group as well. Let's move on to the billing history section. From the billing history section, group admin can check all the billing history along with the invoice details. Payment transactions will be colored in blue background from the billing history page. The number of increase and decrease of paying users will be counted on a daily basis and will be calculated in the form of credit and will be updated to the billing history page the day after the action is made. At the end of measurement period, these credit balance will be charged to upcoming bill as a prorated fee. And the accumulated credit balance will become zero every month after the payment is completed. Clicking on the invoice number from the payment history page will direct you to the invoice page. If you have paid the bill, the paid stamp will appear on this page. And you can also print the invoice as a PDF by clicking the print button. Let's move on to the user history page from the admin console. The group admin can track the history of user permission among the group members. Also, group admin can filter the history by the date and the measurement period. Group admin can search the history by the name and the email of the group members as well. Next is the user activity section. The group can track the activity of each group members in terms of last sign-in date, number of style page views, style creation, style download, and fitting conversion and rendering usage. Let's move on to the activity log. You can check the rendering usage of all users in the group. Each column indicates each of the rendering activity, which includes the date of creation, task ID, style ID, rendering usage, rendering file setting, name and email address of users who created the rendering task. The next section we'll be looking at is the group setting page. Here, group admin can change the group settings in terms of group logo, group name, and color of the group logo. From the permission by user page, group admin can track all the permission record of the group members. The list indicates each user's name, email address, user type, and list of spaces that individual user has permission to. Also, group admin can search the specific user by the name or email address of the group member. Last but not least, we'll be looking at the development page. Here, group admin can set the triggers and sync URL at the trigger menu. Trigger will be fired by workflow status. Also, CLO-SET API provides a programming interface for file management and data retrieval on CLO-SET. To access CLO-SET API, users need to create an account first. Users may then access all files and data that will be saved with your account by using the API. Next, we're going to learn about Feature Page and Help Center. Feature page, where it stores all the explanation that is offered through the CLO-SET service. First, hover your mouse over to the present icon at the bottom left of the corner. Here, you'll be able to find the feature icon. After clicking onto the feature icon, you'll be able to see the web page where it shows all the explanation about the offered feature through CLO-SET. To show you how to direct yourself to the Help Center. Hover your mouse over to the present icon and click onto the Help Center button. Here, you'll be able to see 3 different categories that is offered through Help Center, which are Get Started, Using CLO-SET, and Joining Connect. If you click onto the Get Started, you'll be able to find all the manuals that you'll be needed in order to create your account. By clicking onto the User CLO-SET, you'll be able to find all the information regarding manuals, which you'll be needed when it comes to using your CLO-SET service. Last but not least, if you click onto the Joining Connect, you'll be able to see all the guidelines and manuals that you'll be needed in order to use our CLO-SET Connect service. Lastly, we're going to learn about CLO-SET Connect. CLO Virtual Fashion officially launched CLO-SET Connect, a global fashion community platform for fashion creators worldwide. Anyone interested in 3D fashion design can join and participate in the service. CLO-SET Connect provides open market service for fashion creators worldwide to download or purchase a variety of 3D items and manage their portfolios by uploading their 3D designs. Along with 100,000 existing CLO-SET users and creators using CLO software, we'll showcase various fashion contents, including 3D clothes, fabric, subsidiary materials, and avatars. About 1,200 3D contents have been produced and services have been built for users to use. 3D items uploaded to Connect Store can be found on the CLO-SET Connect website without a separate registration procedure. You can also check the list of all creators through the creator page on Connect. At the end of 2021, all creators will be sellers on the Connect platform to make profits by selling their 3D items. If there is an update on CLO-SET Connect's second service opening, we'll send you the update through CLO-SET's newsletter. Please check whether you agree they received the newsletter on the CLO-SET My Account page.